Magic, si Dieter, Christine, Bea, Sam, Angelica, Yen, Nikki, Shirin, Jed, Ronnie, RJ, and si JR, at saka si RJ siyang nag-lyric ng kanta para kay Mr. M. Thank you very much. Happy birthday to our dad, to Star Magic, Tito John, Mr. M. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Coach. Well, today po ay sama-sama kami ngayon bilang isang pamilya. For this one man, from all of us, happy birthday, Mr. M. We can't fully express how thankful and grateful we are.
Yes. So, sa tingin namin, ito na pinaka-best gift para sa iyo, Mr. M, na this is a promise para sa iyo. It's a promise to be our very best always. Kaya, sana matuwa ka. This is for you, Tita Johnny. Watch this.
Surprise!
I promise itong 2009, palagi na akong tatawag sa'yo, Tita Johnny.
We promise to take care of each other.
We promise! Value our education. I pledge to manage my time well between work and family.
Nangangako akong maging magaling magtagalog ngayong taon ito.
I promise
To be less shy and be more outgoing.
I promise to always give my best in every performance.
We promise.
To be a better songwriter. I pledge to love you with all my heart.
I promise to live a healthy lifestyle. I promise.
To eat a lot and modulate my voice.
I promise.
To be a responsible teenager. I promise to always make you laugh.
I pledge to challenge myself to make music that is at par with world-class standards.
We promise to stay fit.
I promise that I will never forget how big and giving your heart is.
I promise to graduate this March so that I can devote more time to my career. I promise na magiging conscious na po ako sa figure.
Ipinapangako ko na wala akong sawang magbibigay ng inspirasyon sa mga tao. We promise
To be more confident on stage. I pledge to bring honor to Mr. M's name. I pledge to save and not be magastos kagaya ng gusto ng tatay nating lahat.
to be more independent.
To be a responsible Star Magic talent na magvo-voice lessons na ako para mas maging magaling akong singer.
To lose some weight. I promise to prioritize my responsibilities at all times. Not to complain about work. I promise to be more confident and to work with a smile. Mister, I will communicate more with you.
We promise na magiging mabuti akong ina sa anak ko at hindi ako magpapaligaw, baka pera ko lang ang mabuti.
At ako pinangako na panatiling mag-chocolate sa minahal ng mga tao at hindi magbabagong anyo bilang sisiling gansang isip.
I promise to be a good son and make you proud.
Because together we can fulfill our dreams. Together we are determined to succeed. And together we will create a better future.
We'll create a better future.